Once you've upgraded a project, your premium features are available instantly. Simply click 3D to take a virtual tour of your project in Live 3D, either from above or click Camera Mode to go inside. To generate your high-quality 2D floor plans, head over to the menu, click 2D Floor Plans, and generate them here. They can be downloaded and used online and in print. To replace materials on an item, look for this color wheel. Simply add an item to your project and replace materials here. Choose a material or match a custom color. Click Apply, and then view your changes instantly. Just double-click the camera to take a snapshot or open Live 3D. Check out our Replace Materials video for more tips and tricks. You'll find lots of helpful resources at RoomSketcher.com.